We all have a dream. We all have a dream, and surely, we all have a goal. Having a dream gives value to our life, and having a goal keeps us focused on something. Something we are truly passionate about, the kind of thing that really matters. Something we will always be proud of, after 10 or 20 years, because it is worth living for. We all need great achievements. But how deep is our need, and how strong is our will? How far can we go to make our dream a reality, and how firm can we stand in the face of trials and difficulties? How deep is our faith? The words faith and sacrifices certainly have a different meaning for everybody. Faith can be defined as that strong belief, which comes from an inner will to do something, to realize a dream. We express it on a daily basis, through our work and efforts. Sacrifices, on the other hand, can be all those things we decide to leave behind. There are also all those commitments, all the risks, the pain we decide to carry along, because we believe it will make us stronger. And when we refuse to bend under the burden of pain, it's simply because we have a dream. God sees our efforts. He certainly appreciates our courage and faith. Our sacrifices are not unknown to Him, and He has certainly noticed all the meaningful tears. He is our Father, and when the time will come, He will certainly grant us with that dream we have so struggled for. Maybe more, because He is God, and He is faithful. He is far more concerned about our future than we think, and wants me to enjoy life and its wonders. He is our Father, He created us. Through Jesus He expressed an eternal love for human race. How could someone who created us and died for us, who provided us with His Holy Spirit to protect and guide us, be insensitive to my needs? All these thoughts, poisoning the soul, are expressed by many. These came from the heart ignorant of God's love and mercy, and the more we feed ourselves with these negativities, the less life is worth living. Many would have ended up in the gutter of lusts and all kind of addictions. Hadn't the Lord rescued us with His mighty arm, and dusted us off with His gentle hand? God is far more willing to answer our prayers than we are to pray, but we ought to do our part. It is good to have a dream, but to fight for it is better. At times we lack the courage to tread the pathway of struggle, and fight for our dream. We are afraid of suffering, and making sacrifices is too much for us. Many have preferred the easiest ways of fast and illegal money making. To avoid all the requirements of a hardly worked success, where passion, hard work and dignity are priceless. The path of happiness is long, long and difficult. It is full of hardships, heartbreaking events and pain, but it is worth treading on, and all those obstacles are certainly essentials. God allows us to go through all these sufferings to make us feel, at the end, the price of sacrifices made, and the value of a dream achieved. These will mold us into a better person, and strengthen us with a better taste of life. Once we have overcome all the obstacles and reached the top of the mountain, we will turn round, looking at all the way we have come so far and smile. Then all the burden and pain of a lifetime will suddenly disappear, and our feeling, at that moment, will certainly be different. Fight for your dream. Felician Echoum.